composed the national anthem of India? Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Muhammad Iqbal, or Sri Aurobindo? Our national anthem was composed by Nobel poet and laureate Rabindranath Tagore. Which is the national heritage animal of India? Tiger, elephant, zebra, or lion? Elephant is the national heritage animal of India. Which is the national bird of India? Pigeon, peacock, parrot, or sparrow? Peacock is the national bird of India. Which is the national calendar of India? Gregorian calendar, Vikram Samvat, Saka calendar, or Hindu calendar? Saka calendar is the national calendar of India. Which is the national flower of India? Rose, lily, jasmine, or lotus? Lotus is the national flower of India. Who composed the national song of India? Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Muhammad Iqbal, or Sri Aurobindo? Our national song was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. What is the national anthem of India? Jan Gan Man, Sare Jahan Se Acha, Vande Mataram, or Maa Tujhe Salam? Our national anthem is Jan Gan Man. Which is the national currency of India? Indian rupee, dollar, euro, or pound? Indian rupee is the national currency of India. Which is the national game of India? Cricket, football, badminton, or hockey? Hockey is the national game of India. Which is the national tree of India? Mango tree, neem tree, palm tree, or banyan tree? Banyan tree is the national tree of India. What is the motto of Indian national emblem? Sare Jahan Se Acha, Vande Mataram, Satyamev Jayate, or Maa Tujhe Salam? Satyamev Jayate is the motto of Indian national emblem. Which is the national fruit of India? Apple, orange, watermelon, or mango? Mango is the national fruit of India. Which is the national vegetable of India? Pumpkin, cauliflower, onion, or spinach? the national vegetable of India? Which is the national animal of India? Bengal tiger, lion, kangaroo, or leopard? Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. Which is the national song of India? Jan Gan Man, Sare Jahan Se Acha, Vande Mataram और माँ तुझे सलाम? Vande Mataram is the national song of India. How many lions are there in the national emblem of India? 1, 3, 4 or 2? There are 4 lions in the national emblem of India. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? Blue whale, shark, Ganges river dolphin or sea turtle? Ganges river dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. Which color remains at the top while hoisting the national flag? Green, saffron, white or blue? It's the saffron color that remains at the top while hoisting the national flag. Which is the national river of India? Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra or Narmada? The river Ganga is the national river of India. Which is the national reptile of India? Crocodile, king cobra, python or lizard? King cobra is the national reptile of India.